Through the blocks where the streets never sleep. Every corner tells a story where the hustle run deep. Change collect money stack, for respect ain't cheap. Every grind is the climb in the city we keep. For the shadows to the light like we ain't taking up the peace. Hardcore, it's raw, every breath's a heartbeat. Brick by brick we build the dreams from nothing to great. Surviving all the battles, dodging lies, knocking feet. In the alleys where we rise, every night's a new state. It's a struggle, it's the hustle, ain't no room for debate. In the heat of the fight, where the brave don't retreat. We're kings on the street, we can say it's all elite. In the heat of the fight, where the brave don't retreat. We're kings on the street, we can say it's all elite. In the heat of the fight, where the brave don't retreat. We're kings on the street, we can say it's all elite. On the grind every day, loyalty on our street. Cupid every handshake, no place for the seat. In the shadows we call paths, leave a mark on these streets. With the weight of our past, they don't push our beats. From the shadows to the light, we ain't taking no defeat. It's hardcore, it's raw, every breath a heartbeat. From the shadow to the light, we ain't taking no defeat. It's hardcore, it's raw, every breath a heartbeat. Underneath the pillars where the apples never fade. Graffiti on the wall, story told in every shade. From dusk until dawn, survival is serenade. Every scar, every wound is how legends are made. Walking through the fire, feel the heat on our feet. Concrete jungle steps, but we ain't facing defeat. Hustling in the rain, facing rats in the midst. Fortunes on our minds with every dice, every twist. From rags to riches, the struggle persists. In the brotherhood and the block we exist. From the shadows to the limelight, taking up the feet. It's hardcore, it's raw, every breath's a heartbeat.